How to check other WhatsApp messages on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your WhatsApp application. So as I tap on chats, here you'll see all of my current messages. However, these are linked to my phone number. So if I wanted to set up another account on here so that I can check those WhatsApp messages as well, all I can do that by is tapping on the settings at the top right corner of the screen. So here you can see the option of linked devices. So tap on linked devices. So you can use your WhatsApp on other devices as well. So what you simply need to do is just link your device over here. So tap on link a device. And here, what you simply need to do is open web.whatsapp.com on your desktop, app, your other services. So you can do that, or you can just scan the QR of the other WhatsApp on the other phone, or you can also link with the phone number instead at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it, and here you just need to enter your code that has been sent so that you can link with the other phone number. And that's how you can check other WhatsApp messages on your phone as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.